In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the links panel in Adobe Illustrator. If you work with placed images, logos, or external files, the links panel is your control center. It tells you exactly what's inside your document, what Illustrator is referencing from your computer, and whether anything needs your attention. Let's walk through it so you can spot issues quickly and keep your artwork clean and consistent. Start by opening your document in Illustrator. With your file open, go to the top menu, choose Window, and select Links. This brings up the links panel. If you don't see it at first, it may appear as a tab in a docked group on the right. Click the links tab to bring it to the front. The panel lists every placed item in your document. You'll see each file's name and its status, which tells you whether it's linked or embedded. A linked file lives outside the Illustrator document and is referenced from its location on your drive. An embedded file is stored inside the document itself. Neither option is right or wrong, but it's helpful to know which you're using so you can manage file size and editability appropriately. When collaborating or archiving, that distinction matters. Linked workflows keep your Illustrator file lighter, while embedded content travels with the document, which can be useful when you're moving work between computers or sending it to a teammate. Keep an eye out for warning icons. If a link is missing, Illustrator can't find the original file where it expects it, and the panel marks it with an alert. If a link is modified, it means the original has changed since it was placed, and Illustrator is letting you know there's a newer version. These visual cues make it easy to spot potential issues before they cause surprises when you print, export, or share the file. Click any entry in the links panel to highlight that item in your artwork. Illustrator will select the corresponding object on the artboard, which is incredibly handy when something is hidden under other elements or sitting on a complex layer. In documents with many artboards, this selection jumps you straight to the right spot so you don't have to pan around or guess. It's an easy way to verify that the correct asset is placed and scaled as intended. Use the links panel as a dashboard as you work. Periodically glance at it to confirm everything is accounted for and up to date. The more you get used to reading the file names and status indicators, the faster you'll troubleshoot